we bring to you the top 5 technologies for 2020. Also kindly take up this time to subscribe to us. Welcome to Knowledgeable Things. Let's get started at number 10. We have cognitive cloud computing. Now cognitive cloud is an extended ecosystem. It is due to this that we can deploy cognitive cloud computing applications and solutions to the masses using cloud computing. Not just that it is one of the next big things in the IT industry. Also, it can converse in natural language and helps in decision making. By understanding the complexities of big data, it is expected to generate rate of revenue of $13.8 billion by the year 2020 alone. And hence big companies such as IBM, Microsoft, Google, and Cisco are already investing in this next generation technology to keep up with the upcoming market. The next technology to learn in the year 2020 is 5G technology. Now 5G represents the next generation of cellular networks and services. Now Switzerland is the current world leader in 5G technology, closely followed by South Korea and the United States. A bigger rollout as anticipated by the year 2020 with a global adoption of this technology. It is expected to give a minimum of 20 GB/s downlink and 10 GB/s uplink, which would make it 40 times faster than the current 4G LTE technology, opening doors for newer services, network operations, and customer experiences on the part of telecom operators. Companies heavily in the development and testing of 5G equipments are Samsung, Huawei, until direction Nokia, Deloitte. And welcome. Moving on at number 8. We have 3D printing technology now revolutionizing the future. 3D printing is one of those technologies you should definitely look forward to in the upcoming years in the future. Now, it is said to completely change the face of domains such as healthcare, manufacturing and construction. Now with a market size of 10 billion. It is expected to grow at a rate of 23.5% every year for the next 5 years, and big brands such as Bugatti, Adidas, Audi, and Porsche are already on their way to remodel a future using 3D printing. Next on the list of top 10 trending technologies. Not just that, by the year 2020. At number 7. We have biometrics as the technical term for body measurements and calculations. It refers to metrics related to human characteristics. Biometrics authentication is used in computer science as a form of identification and access control. It is also used to identify individuals in groups that are under surveillance. Biometric identifiers are the distinctive, measurable characteristics used to label and describe individuals. Biometric identifiers are often categorized as physiological versus behavioral characteristics. Physiological characteristics are related to the shape of the body. The use of biometric technology ensures protection against identity theft as well as secures access to your home, car, computer and even mobile phone. In 2012, global spending on biometric devices was $1.5 billion, but by 2019 we will be consuming $6.2 billion of biometric devices worldwide, which proves the increasing impact of biometrics in everyday life will only increase in time. And in the year of 2020 it expected to $8.5 billion to $10.5 billion. Quantum computers perform calculations based on the probability of an object state before it is measured, instead of just ones or zeros, which means they have the potential to process exponentially more data compared to classical computers. Classical computers carry out logical operations using the definite position of a physical state. These are usually binary, meaning its operations are based on one of two positions. A single state, such as on or off, up or down, 1 or 0, is called a bit. In quantum computing, operations instead use the quantum state of an object to produce what's known as a qubit. For the time being, classical technology can manage any task thrown at a quantum computer. Quantum supremacy describes the ability of a quantum computer to outperform their classical counterparts. Some companies, such as IBM and Google, claim we might be close, as they continue to cram more qubits together and build more accurate devices. The global quantum computing market accounted for $88.1 billion in 2019. And in the year of 2020 expected to $100 billion for this technology worldwide.